Now, in SEO, this is a term you'll come across a lot. Content is king. So the most important thing is always concentrate on producing high quality content that people want to read. Because if people find it interesting, then Google will find it interesting. So Google is on record as saying they want to reward good quality content, high quality websites that provide genuine information to web visitors. Google also likes fresh content. This is something you don't have to obsess about. At the end of the day, you've got a business to run and you can't be writing web pages, every day of the week. But if possible, every so often try and do updates to your pages and your web content, create some new pages. Maybe think about having a blog so you can put news about current events on your blog. And as we'll see, having fresh quality content sort of helps with your SEO. Now, Google likes fresh content. You don't have to obsess about writing sort of new pages or updating your pages every single day, but try and update something on your website on a regular basis. Create some new sort of topical content, maybe in your blog pages. The other thing, as the third bullet point makes clear, if your website is packed with high quality content, you'll find that over time other people will start linking to your website as an authoritative source on a particular topic. And as we'll see, having high quality, relevant inbound links to your website will also help with your SEO. So having really good content will actually attract links. Frequently updated content means you're going to get more interest from Google. The Google bot will visit you more often and it'll sort of re-index your site, and that will generally help with your SEO. The other thing you need to remember is that if you start creating new pages on a fairly regular basis, then you need to think of each new page as a new opportunity to basically try and attract Google's interest for a particular keyword phrase. So, as I think I've mentioned earlier, a lot of people make the mistake of trying to cram all the information about all the services or all the products they produce or they sell onto the home page. What you should try and do is to focus different pages onto different keywords so that when people do searches, they might not necessarily find your homepage. What they might find is one of the other pages on your website that's been specifically optimized for a particular phrase they've just searched for.